Hello my friends, welcome back to another quick tutorial videos of TechLover. In this video I'm just going to be showing you how to send a photo from photo gallery of your iPhone as a snap on Snapchat. So if you just want to know about this trick, let's get started. As you can see, I open my camera and I'm going to take some photos to send it as a snap from photo gallery. You can see it has been saved in my phone gallery. Now I'm going to open my Snapchat to send them all directly from here. Once I open the photos, and I'm going to choose the photo I just captured with my camera and I'm going to send it. You can see it's not like snap. When I receive it, I'm going to open that photo just here on my inner device. It's not like a snap. Now time to show you my friends how we can send that kind of photos from our photo gallery as a snap. You have to download this application from the App Store of your iPhone device. Once it has been installed, go open it, and here we're gonna do some setup just here on the application. Click to continue with your Snapchat and wait for a few seconds until it's going to be connected to your Snapchat account. Then click on continue and click to open. Then you will get this page right here on this application. Click on the new sticker, then choose any of them. I will choose this one. Then we are going to click to gallery here, and after that we are going to choose the photo we just want to send from our gallery. Click on share button, then you will be directly in Snapchat, and after that you can remove the stuff you added just with that application. I mean this one. So let's go ahead to delete it, and you can see this is the photo we added from our gallery. Now I'm going to send it to my inner device, then I will show you here. This is like a snap we send it from our gallery. So let's go ahead to check for our inner device. You can see when I'm just going to tap to view, this is the snap I received, I sent with that application on my iPhone device. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends. If you liked the video, don't forget to hit the like button, and see you until next quick tutorial videos. Bye bye my friends.